everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to set up Spotify Connect on different devices. If you want to control Spotify on multiple devices at once, let's set up Spotify Connect. Go ahead and open your Spotify app and then click on the music you are currently listening to. Now on the bottom right you'll see this computer CPU type speaker type of button. Then hit on this button. Now you can click on connect or go to settings, and then you can arrange your settings. After that you'll be able to connect your Spotify to another devices. Select the device you want to play music on and Spotify will switch playback to it. You can now control music from any devices, play, pause, skip or change devices seamlessly. And that's it. Spotify Connect makes listening across multiple devices smooth and easy. I hope this video helped you on how to set up Spotify Connect on different devices. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.